In this video, I'll show you how to use AI style effects in CapCut. Let's use this image as an example. To start, drag and drop it into the timeline. With the image selected, go to the AI Stylize option in the top toolbar. Scroll down and enable style. You'll see different AI categories like trending, AI painting, AI photo, expressions, motion, split, portrait, face swap, scene swap, and video effect. Click any AI style to apply instantly. Note that some styles are free while others require Pro. Feel free to explore and choose styles based on your needs. That's how you transform images with AI styles in CapCut Pro. For more editing tips, subscribe. Happy editing!